video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a Easter Ambience pack into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the pack which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just scroll down over here, then click over here. You will redirect to the dev store. You just click over here and get the pack into your CFX portal and download the pack. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over here you can see these are the Easter eggs which we have installed into our FiveM server. You can find them in various locations of the map. So as you can see, you can also find some of them in this location over here, in here as well. As you can see, you can find these type of things in the different places of the map. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.